Right. So today question actually I am very excited about this. It is one of the question like which is been asked in one of the interview, and this is like looking to this question. It looks like very interesting, and we will get confused when the interviewer asks this question. So be focused on this, and then we'll solve this problem together. Okay. So here is the question like interview asks like how will you remove the holes in array, and your input array looks like this. You have one and your holes are like basically is like an empty item here. Okay, so you have 1 2 and then 3 4 in the different array, and here so this is overall it looks like it's a multi-dimensional array, and here we have these like empty items here in between of this kind of the array. Okay, and the final output what we needed, we need to convert this array to in as this simple without holes, and this, and also it should be in your one dimensional array. Okay, so I hope you will be you will understand this question, and then just think for a minute, and then we'll try to flip this question, like we'll solve it together. And if you think after that like you are knowing some better like solution, just suggest in the comment itself. Okay, so I'll just pause this video for 30 seconds, and then we'll solve this problem together. Okay, so here I just copied that question here, and this is the input array. So I have this input array here. Now here to understand, like when the interviewer asks this question first time, and if you are seeing this problem first time, you will get confused how to clear this, because this is multi-dimensional, right? So you will be thinking it like you need to do some iteration, or you will follow some recursive concept like that way, right? So this is the question. Actually, it's very simple question, and here we need to use the flat function for the array. Okay, so this flat function is introduced in ES10, and any parameter which if inside the flat function which we need to pass it, that is basically we need to pass the depth of the array which you want to flat. So the depth means here like how many like multi-dimensional array you have, and so if you want to do the flatten to that dimension, like what is the depth you want to flatten it, so we need to pass inside the flat function. So here is let's say I'm passing here 2. Okay, and here let's run this. It's like very simple. So okay, so here basically I added this extra things. Let me clear. So your question was like this, right? So okay, now if you see your output, this will solve your problem actually here. Okay, so this was the output which we asked. But okay, now in addition to this, I want to mention one more point here. So let's say inside this area you added one more dimension here, right? And maybe the interview can add like few more like depth in this area. So don't worry about that as well. We actually here have one argument to pass it infinity. So any level of the depth area is, but this can be fixed by infinity here. So you will be getting again in one dimension and without having the any empty item here. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video.